Por acá estamos de regreso. We are back with the beautiful start that Patricia taught us. You see? Estamos de regreso con la linda estrella que nos enseñó Patricia. Miren, en este momento Patricia nos estaba terminando de mostrar lo que es el cubo. Nos enseñó cómo formar lo que es el mosaico. Y bueno, vamos a ver. Miren qué linda, linda. Bienvenidos nuevamente. Cuando suba el vivo en YouTube, fíjense bien, ya va a quedar editado. Las dos partes van a quedar juntas, así que va a ser mejor. No quiero arriesgarme a perder más vivos, así que lo voy a editar y lo subo en YouTube. Por ahora se los dejo unos días acá en Instagram. So I'm gonna leave the live in Instagram for some days, and after I am going to do only one. Two parts are going to be together, okay? And it's going to be edited. So that's going to be great. Okay, Patricia. Okay. Patricia, I love it. I love all the options you gave us. You gave us
Thank you.
4 different options. You gave us just the star.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You gave us the option of the quilt. And you gave us also the option of the two cubes. Beautiful, all of them.
Thank you. Well, if you see from my post, this is also could be your guidance how you attach the star. Because sometimes you may be confused how to glue it, because it's also happening to me by after a long time I'm not making this one. I also becoming confused, and then I have a guidance to making it like
exactly. Can you show it like this so I can take a picture of you and the quilt, and let me see if I can take a good picture. Very good, Patricia. That's beautiful. Miren qué lindo el quilt. Precioso. Now I am going to ask the question if anybody finished the star. I am not going to ask you if anybody finished the cube because that's going to be impossible. So, did you finish the star? ¿Alguien que haya terminado la estrella y nos la quiera mostrar? No le voy a preguntar por el cubo porque sé que va a ser difícil. Así que vamos a ver. Did somebody finish the star and you want to show it to us? Bienvenida, Adriana. Welcome, Adri. And I finished my water. I love it. I love it. Hello, Milene. Miren qué linda.
I also have the coffee here, so I won't be sleepy.
Don't worry, very soon you're going to bed. Yes. Don't forget to tag Patricia, to tag me, to see your beautiful stars, or to see your cubes, or to see your, what is this? Your mosaic. Yes, so let me see. Anita. Vamos a ver Anita. I think Anita is going to join us.
Yay.
Okay, Anita.
Hi.
Hello, thank you so much, Anita.
Hello.
Show us your...
Yay, thank you.
That's a beautiful start.
Thank
Anna.
you.
Very beautiful. Thank you so much for joining and for staying up so late, Anita. Thank you. That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Hold it like that. Show it. So I'm going to take the picture here. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Terima kasih, Kana.
Terima kasih. Cantik.
Cantik.
Miren qué lindo, qué linda la estrellita. Bueno, entonces les va a quedar de tarea. You have a beautiful homework. You decide what you want to fold. If you want to fold not the selection. If you want to fold the mosaic, or if you want to fold the cubes. Can you show us again the cubes? Do you have the cubes? So we can see them and people can see them. So after they can pick up what they want to fold.
This is the cubes.
Miren qué lindo el cubo. Ese es uno de los cubos.
This is the first. This is the first cube. The first types of the cube.
Yeah.
That you are. That you just join the original from the quilt star. And
Mhm.
then this is the second type of the cubes.
That's the second kind. Look, I love that one. That's the one that
Yeah,
you don't need glue. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
This is my favorite too.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's very pretty. Patricia,
Thank you.
thank you so much for being with us, for
Yeah.
sharing this beautiful
I'm so
design. I
happy
love it.
to, really.
I love it. And
Thank you.
be patient because people are, I know these people, they are going to fold the cubes and they are going to fold the mosaic. So they are going to tag us later. Thank you so much, Patricia.
You're welcome. I also thank you. I'm so happy that I could be here with you. I never dreams to be could be here.
Why not? You are very talented.
Yeah, but I'm not doing it origami for a long time. It's maybe almost 2 years now, maybe, yeah. But
Hello. Some of my friends are just entering because they thought that this was the time that I made a mistake. So I'm gonna tell them. Thank you, Anita. For the people who are just getting online right now, for the people who are just joining, we had a misunderstanding. We know I had a misunderstanding with the time. I messed everything up. So we began 1 hour before. I know. Hello. Look, she is Alison from
oh,
LA and she wanted to fold it.
oh,
Alison, it's going to be recorded here and also in YouTube, so you can watch it and fold it because we began 1 hour before because I made a mistake calculating the time with Indonesia. That's very hard for me. Yeah, because the gap is so huge. Yeah. Eh, para los que se recién, yeah, look at Marilia also from Brazil. She says, hi everybody. Hello Marilia. Para las personas
hello.
que recién se están conectando a esta hora, comenzamos el vivo 1 hora antes porque yo me equivoqué con el tiempo. Entonces, en este momento les voy a dejar acá el vivo, pero lo voy a editar y lo voy a hacer uno y lo voy a subir a YouTube. Así si lo perdemos acá, va a quedar en el canal de YouTube, ¿ok? Patricia, thank you so much.
Yes,
So
thank you.
we invite people to tag us, yeah, and congratulations for your work. Congratulations for Ranu.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank
Okay?
you. Thank you for lots of your support too for Ranu. Really, I really, really appreciate it. Hopefully one day we could go to Canada.
Dinosaurs are going to be waiting for Ranu over here. You know that, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Para todos, gracias por estar con nosotros. Por acá les va a quedar el vivo. Ya les expliqué cómo vamos a hacer para que plieguen esta hermosa estrella porque está preciosa, está divina. Así que les queda por acá y ya se lo voy a subir también a YouTube. Les va a quedar por acá más o menos se lo voy a dejar 2 días y después lo subo a YouTube para no perderlo, okay? So, the live is going to be here for around 2 days and after I will make only one and I will upload it to YouTube so I don't lose it anymore, okay? Thank you so much. Gracias a todos. Thank you so much, my dear Patricia.
Yes, thank you also.
Thank you. Follow Patricia, please. She says, thank you so much. Amazing design. He's
Oh, thank
Julian.
you.
Yes. And if I am not mistaken, Julian. Where are you, Julian? I don't know if Julian is in Spain or if he is in Latin America, but he says, thank you so much. Gracias, Patricia. Gracias a
Yeah.
todos. Keep going, Patricia.
Thank you. Thank you
I
so
love
much.
your work. Take care and have a good night. Okay?
Yes, yeah.
Thank you
Thank
so
you. Have a
much.
wonderful day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Adiós a todos. Muchas gracias. See you.